Hi, I'm Lisa, one of the yoga teachers here at the Frog Project. I'm here to talk to you about the Yoga Nidra workshop I'm running this coming December. The Yoga Nidra workshop offers you the opportunity of some pre-Christmas calm, the opportunity to deeply rest, deeply relax, and find some transformation of the body and the mind. Yoga Nidra is suitable for everyone and is a practice that lends itself to being practiced at home, and really is an extension to the Frog Project community where we all practice together. And we will practice Yoga Nidra in a Yoga Nidra circle, all bringing our unique energy and our unique commitment, and you really will feel that through the Yoga Nidra circle. Practicing from home means you can set up your space in a way that works for you, and all I can say is the more comfortable you feel in your space, the more you will get from the Nidra. So what can you expect from the Yoga Nidra workshop? I will have the pleasure of guiding you through a full Yoga Nidra practice, starting with a gentle physical practice, gentle physical movement, moving us then into something called exercise without movement, where we will experience tension and release in the body. The body will then be relaxed and allow us to move on to some systematic relaxation through the 61-point method, and we'll move into some specific breath work with the 75 breaths. After this, the body and the mind will be really ready, really relaxed, to move into the most wondrous, special part of the Nidra, which will be a guided visualisation. I'm writing this guided visualisation especially for you, especially for this pre-Christmas calm, and it will help you find your calm and your balance. And I wish I could tell you exactly how you're going to experience the Nidra, but I can't, because everybody's experience is different. But that's part of the joy of Nidra. You have faith that the Nidra will bring you exactly what it needs to bring. And even if I guided you in exactly the same Nidra on two separate occasions, your experience would be different. So what do I need you to bring with you to the workshop? Firstly, bring you and the open mind, and the commitment to allowing the Nidra to flow and giving you what you need, which it will. I need you to dress comfortably, able to move in the clothes you pick, but also to be warm, because your temperature will drop during the Nidra as it does in all meditation. Perhaps most importantly, you need to bring lots of things that will help you find comfort. So that's cushions, pillows, bolsters, blankets, duvets, maybe even an eye mask, anything that's going to help you feel more comfortable during the Nidra practice. Bring a drink with you, maybe some water or some squash or a herbal tea, but make sure you don't bring anything that is a stimulant, because that will be going counter to whatever we're trying to achieve. I really hope I've sparked your interest in Yoga Nidra, and I really hope that the pre-Christmas calm appeals to you and you'll join the class so I can guide you somewhere amazingly special and wondrous and give you some pre-Christmas calm. Thank you very much for listening, and I really hope you join. Namaste.